My gosh,
What?
the socks are so cute. I love them.
Really?
Yeah, they look like little elf socks. Are you an elf?
Yeah.
You are.
You're the elf.
Okay.
Hi
hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day
14?
13?
I don't know.
Hey guys, so this intro clip is actually filmed a few days later. The footage you guys are about to see is actually from before I posted my DIY room decor video. It's gonna be a little bit confusing. I didn't have a chance to edit the vlog to go up. That's why it's going up now. But we're gonna be back on track starting today, so we'll have a vlog going up tomorrow. So I wanted to explain quickly why I failed Vlogmas this year. It was just like so much stuff going on, and with that video that I hadn't gotten done before Vlogmas started, I didn't have enough time to edit that video and the vlogs as well.
Yeah, you almost didn't end up uploading it before Christmas.
Yeah, and last year I ended up giving up on one of the videos I was filming, and because I wanted to continue Vlogmas, but I was really sad, and I was so proud. I was so proud of that video, and I was really proud of the DIYs, and then I just ended up prioritizing Vlogmas. This year I decided I wanted to prioritize that video, and I also really wanted to have that video up. I do one every single year, and it would just feel like a fail of a year if I didn't have a DIY room decor video up for Christmas. I hope you guys understand. I know you do. It's so weird. This year it feels like everyone has been giving up on Vlogmas, and that wasn't like intentional for me. I didn't give up because everyone else was. I just ended up like changing my priorities. So it's funny that everyone's been having a stressful Vlogmas this year. But the funny thing is, for me, it's been less stressful than last year because I did end up prioritizing the video. If I hadn't, I would still be stressed out. So I'm glad that I did it this way, because now I can enjoy like doing vlogs and have a good time with you guys, and you guys don't feel stressed out because I'm stressed out, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut to the footage from a couple days ago, and then at the end of the video we're gonna finish it off by showing you guys how we make Dutch babies. This is like Sebastian's one of his favorite breakfasts. I've spent the entire morning editing the vlog that's going up before this one. I've been making some progress on the DIY video. I feel like saying that it's gonna cause a jinx though. It's gonna jinx it, and I'm nervous. The weird thing about vlogging every other day is that it feels like I'm so, I don't know, it feels like I haven't vlogged in forever doing it this way. For some reason it feels like I'm so inactive with posting vlogs. It's strange. On the agenda today is basically just editing. Are you seriously making oatmeal? You just had eggs.
I know, because I want to eat healthier, just better.
Oh, you want to eat more?
Yeah, I still have all of the things from the treat testing that we made.
Treat testing?
Yeah, the tasty treat.
We have one.
Yeah, no, but
left.
I still I have the marshmallow stuffs, the gingerbread cheesecake, and I'm so tempted to have them, but they're probably not that good for me. But I'm trying to eat other stuff that's not full of sugar so that I'm less hungry and less tempted.
Hey guys, so update, we are now at the mall and we're doing a little bit of Christmas shopping. I got some really great news. My mom's actually going to be coming here on the 24th and leaving, I think, on the morning of the 27th. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna buy her some stocking stuffers tonight. So that's our like purpose of being at the mall, but also I still have like a bunch of gifts to get for other people. Let's see if I'm successful. It's like 7:30 now. Freaking starving. I'm not telling you what I'm getting for dinner. I know that you guys say you don't judge, but I feel like somewhere deep inside there's a little bit of judgment. So that's all I'm gonna say. Also, side note, I forgot my lipstick and my lip liner at home, so I literally had to use my brow pencil for my lip liner today. Fur all over me. It's happening. You get in the food chain. My mom loves vitamin E. She's been using this for like her whole life, but I can't remember which one she uses because the packaging looks so different.
Maybe it's just that product. I didn't know that. That smells good. That's why I love it so much. I love coconut.
The store is empty. I should have come here to vlog. I'm looking for some wax melts. I was told at one of the other Bath & Body Works that they've completely discontinued the item. Literally just got my wax melt burner thingy last Christmas, so that would be really crappy. But I saw online they had a few holiday scents. So I'm coming here to see if they have winter. That's like my all-time favorite wax melt scent. It smells so freaking good. These are so cute. That seems cool.
Oh, did we watch the movie?
No. Oh, did we?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we did. That was a good show. I love games so much, but it sucks that you actually need friends to play them with. I would just love to be able to play them with Sebastian, but you always need like 4 players or more. Ooh, this one you only need 2. Oh, Sebastian, this looks really cool. Wait, this is a loner game. You can play it with 1 person. That's cool. How many players do you need?
It doesn't say. It contains 600 questions based on the Harry Potter films.
You would lose. You don't know anything about them.
Some of which would challenge even the smartest of wizards. I would probably win. Remember that the How Well Do You Know Me challenge?
Yeah, that's true. I thought I was gonna win that one. These are so cute. And it's 40% off. These exact same ones they have at Anthropology. Look at this. Isn't that so beautiful? This. There we go. I think yours is a little bit bigger than this though, right?
I'm going to show people
this
what not to get.
The board. No, it's an awesome gift. You can see. Look at it. You paint on it and then after a while it dries up. Yeah, just like you put a thought out there into the universe, bam, it's gone. It was a great gift. $16. I paid $16 for this.
Bye.
I thought this was going to be a Christmas song, but now I'm not sure. And I don't think it is now. I don't even think it's a Christmas song. Something about this seems like it could be a Christmas song. I love it. We just got home from the mall a couple minutes ago and I bought some stocking stuffers. I think I'm gonna do a standalone video showing the stocking stuffers I got. And I did one last year, but I have some extra stocking stuffers that I got this year that I think are kind of fun. So I can't wait to show you guys those. But yeah. It is basically the end of the night. It's like after 10 now. We're going to watch some Christmas movies and I'm going to edit. We just listened to Ariana Grande's new song Imagine and in my head I was like, oh, this is definitely gonna be a cover of John Lennon's song Imagine because it's all about like peace and stuff like that, but it wasn't at all. But it was so freaking good. If you guys haven't heard it, definitely check it out. I love it. I think it's gonna be like my new favorite song for the next couple weeks. But yeah, so I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. You're stealing my lines.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to my vlog. And today, I basically have to edit all day. And oh, okay, keep going.
So I'm just sitting in bed editing. We are going to be filming some last shots for B-roll. This usually happens where we'll get all the B-roll filming done and then I'll go through the footage and be like, wow, Sebastian, you really suck at this. I'm just kidding.
A million times.
No, it's like there was actually some stuff that I did really poorly. The wreath, I was like shaking it kind of.
Always something.
There's always something,
I'm getting better.
Especially with a perfectionist. If I spend so much time doing a DIY, I'm like, I want perfect footage for the B-roll.
And I do ask that when you're not using the markers, you put the caps back on them because they will dry out.
And for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about when I say B-roll, it's like the extra shots in a video that are not part of the tutorial are the B-roll. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I've also started decorating this little tree because this is actually where I'm gonna be putting some of the DIYs. We sprayed it with some fake snow, but because the snow was like really sticky and wet for a couple hours afterwards, I couldn't decorate it. So I finally got it decorated this morning and we're gonna film a little bit with that. And then we're gonna probably
help you with editing too.
Yeah, he's actually been helping me with the vlogs, which is really nice because it sucks when I have to edit all the vlog footage and then on top of that do the main channel stuff, which obviously takes a long time.
So I do the rough cutting.
Yeah, he's been doing my rough cutting lately, which, well, for the last vlog, I can't say lately. You've rough cut for one vlog now.
Another thing that we're gonna be doing, but you can't really see that, is gonna be we're gonna make dinner and we're gonna watch Sabrina.
Oh yeah, Sabrina's on tonight. There's like apparently a Christmas episode. I didn't know this, but when I was little, I used to watch Sabrina the Teenage Witch, and apparently they have a Christmas episode every year. So the new Sabrina show has started to do that as well, and I'm so excited to see what it's gonna turn out like. Yeah. Although this is such a dark show, it's probably not gonna be Christmassy at all.
I'm not an evil person. But these are desperate times.
Hey guys, so update. Trying to find the good lighting, so I'm like laying on the back of the sofa here. It's like 4 o'clock now. Sebastian's making us some super late lunch. We're having soup with toast, and I'm so hungry. I'm feeling like I'm hitting a wall. Did you figure out what we're gonna have for dinner?
Not yet.
Sebastian's task for the day is to, well, he has 2 tasks. He has to help me edit the vlog for tomorrow, and he also has to help me figure out what we're gonna have for dinner so that I don't have to think about it myself. I have no energy. Can't wait to watch the new Sabrina show. It's gonna be so cool, I think. Hopefully they do something celebratory for like Christmas. That'd be really cool. Soup looks so yummy. I cannot wait to have this. It is like 8:25. We didn't actually make dinner, so we got some takeout. The first time in like, what is it? Yeah, 3 months. Actually 3 months that
Courtney's fish and chips.
Yeah, that I'm having fish for real though. Best fish and chips ever here. For dinner, we are watching the Sabrina special. Continuing on the vlog, we're going to make a Dutch baby now. I wanted to add this footage in here because I think that this is such a good holiday recipe, so I wanted to share it with you guys. It's not like specific to the holidays. You can have it all year round. But because it's so indulgent, it's more like a food that you're more lenient about eating during the holidays, because usually people don't eat great around this time of year. We don't have milk, but we have eggnog. I wonder if we could use that. I think it should be fine. Maybe it'll be a new masterpiece and it'll actually taste really good.
Maybe.
This is the best eggnog. It's from Lucerne. I don't know if they have this in the States, but that's the best brand of eggnog apart from Avalon, I personally find. I'm actually looking at my recipe from a video I did in the past because I don't have it written down. But there was a period where I was making them so often I didn't need a recipe. I just remembered exactly what to do. All right, preheat the oven at 450 degrees. You want to preheat the oven? Because it has to be really, really hot for this. That's the secret to a good Dutch baby, is having your oven super, super hot and also putting it initially into a really hot pan. Otherwise it doesn't fluff up as much. These are our ingredients. We have 1 tablespoon of vanilla. This is the vanilla I use. It's my absolute favorite vanilla ever, and it comes in like the most monstrous container. I go through it so fast. I literally bought this like a few months ago. We have some butter, and I melted it so that I can remove that stuff off the top, which is the milk solids, and make some clarified butter. Then we have 1 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/3 of a cup of sugar, 4 eggs and some hot water to bring them to room temperature. And then we have 1 cup of eggnog. And to bring it to room temperature, I just microwaved it for 10-second increments. Starting with the wet ingredients, we're going to add them all to the blender. We have 2 tablespoons of clarified butter in a 10-inch pan right now. We want this to be super, super hot when we add in the batter. It should be like bubbling, starting to bubble. We're adding in the batter.
A lot of batter.
I'm just gonna leave it there for like 10-ish seconds, and then I'm gonna pop it right into the oven, which has been preheated to 450. It has to be in the oven for about like 15 to 20 minutes, and you'll know because it'll be like super poofy and also golden brown. It's kind of like Yorkshire puddings, where it has to be super hot and it doesn't have any leavening agents in it, so it's just the heat and like air that kind of fluffs it up.
As soon as you open it, it goes down.
Yeah, it's huge. Look at the Dutch baby.
Nice.
Wow. I was nervous about the eggnog not like fluffing up totally, but this looks delicious. And I know the edges are dark, but that just happens every time you make a Dutch baby. It
smells so good. Look at this.
Yeah.
What is that?
Butter. Look at this. What is that? There's a lot of butter in this thing. All right. So we like to serve it with some powdered sugar, just like so. So good.
Yeah.
Sebastian also likes either coconut nectar or maple syrup because #piggy. This is the coconut nectar we like to use. It's from Coconut Secret. This is the best coconut nectar I've tried. I absolutely love it. It kind of tastes like caramel sauce. It's also low glycemic, so it doesn't spike your blood sugar, which is great for people who are diabetic, but also for people who don't want to like have a sugar crash after having it. So this is probably one of the healthier ways to go with the topping. But again, this tastes so good on its own. You can just have it with powdered sugar and it's like divine. I hope you guys enjoyed this little end segment. You guys should definitely try it out and let me know if you do, what you think. It's such a good,
a very unhealthy but quite delicious breakfast idea.
Yeah, but it's perfect for the holidays because no one eats healthy around the holidays anyway. Thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog, and we will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Merry Christmas.